Morning, Sylvester here from Weapon Media. I would like to share a short video about what happened here at Mangawhai after the tornado hit and destroyed mostly 50 homes around this particular area of Mangawhai on Sunday morning, approximately around 4 a.m. between 4 to 5:30 a.m. on Sunday morning. My family and I came to Mangawhai from Auckland on Friday afternoon to spend the long weekend Auckland anniversary here at Mangawhai, and this is our second time come to Mangawhai. But we love this area. We love the location. We love the beach, and the people around this area. They are good. But this has happened on Sunday morning, as I said. I was still awake on that time, around 3 o'clock in the morning, because on Saturday afternoon it was started to have heavy rain and start windy, and in the midnight it was so windy, and I was worried about the safety of my family. So I keep awaking and see what happened. Around 4 o'clock the electricity were cut off, and I know that there's something seriously happened around Mangawhai, around this area. And I just find it out on the news on Sunday morning that 50 houses were destroyed or damaged by this tornado, as you can see on these aerial clips from my drone. However, at the other part of Mangawhai where we stayed, beside the beach, I think you can tell from this video that the homes, the families around this area are perfectly safe, and their homes are all good. Nothing happened around this area, as we experienced from the place that we staying. I mean, like, there's nothing apart from heavy rain and heavy windy on that morning. So I think hope that the residents of Mangawhai still have the spirit of happy and joy, start rebuilding their places from the situation that left by this tornado, so that if it happens in the future they are ready to face that. But people, this area is a good area. Mangawhai, it's a good place for us to come and have family holidays here. It's quiet, it's peaceful, it's so beautiful. You can see here, and it's safe to visit if you have time. From Auckland to here, I think it took us around probably 1.5 hours or 2 to get to Mangawhai, or maybe an hour from my place to get to Mangawhai. But for all my families and friends who watch this news about the tornadoes, we are fine. We are all good here in Mangawhai. Today is Monday. We are ready to go back home to Auckland this afternoon. So offer to Kamodol, and thank you for those who contact us and ask how we are in regards to these tornadoes. We are all good from here, and we love this place. We love visiting here. We will come again if we have a chance to come again. We will come again. This is a small shopping center here in Mangawhai, beside the place. This is the place, the roof, the brown roof of the place that we are staying here in Mangawhai. So we're not far from the shopping, we're not far from the beach. We're perfectly fine here. We love it. Offer to